The M300s will either have a jaw chuck or a collet chuck. The jaw chuck generally comes in 3 or 4 jaw variety, with a 3 jaw being shown here. When using the jaw chuck, hold the piece in the middle of the jaws and then use the chuck key to tighten the jaws onto the part. Ensure that the jaws are not tight enough to damage the part, but still tight enough to resist spinning while the part is being machined. Once the part is adequately tightened, spin the spindle by hand and ensure that the part is not asymmetrically gripped by the jaws. When inserting a part into the collet chuck, one must first find a collet that fits the part. These will be in the collet rack and come in a range of sizes. However, they do not fit all parts adequately, which is why we use the jaw chuck. In choosing a collet for a part, it is ideal for it to be a relatively tight fit, ideally with no rattle in the collet. The collet can only tighten so much on the part, meaning that if there is an excessive size difference between the collet and the part, it will not tighten properly, which will be a safety hazard. Normal tolerances for the material that will be inserted into the collet are plus 0.003 inches to minus 0.007 inches. Insert the part into the collet, and then the collet into the chuck, rotating until it seats properly. At this point, simply use the chuck key to screw the chuck in until it is tight.